Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix Outlook Shield icon access denied issue in the new Outlook. Let's begin. First, open Outlook. You can go over here in the Windows Start menu, just type Outlook. You can use the classic or the new version, all right? So once you have successfully opened Outlook, I want you to, I'm going to maximize this. Click on this button right over here, Settings. Then make sure you are on the Account section or tab. Over here, it will show all of the available accounts you have logged in your Outlook. Choose that account that has a sign in error on it. Then over here on the right side, you will notice a yellow button. I want you to click on that button. It will open up a new tab on your browser. Log into your account. Once done, get back here and you should now be able to view your inbox without any issues. Now, if that still doesn't work, what you can do is to simply restart Outlook. So close Outlook and make sure Outlook is also not running over here. Click on quit. And most users, this method worked. However, if that still didn't work, you can go back on the settings section and this time you can completely log out. Just re-log in and that should work as the third option. That's it. Following all of these steps, you should now be able to access your inbox without any issues. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.